Courage means standing beside truth even when powerful people strongly oppose your beliefs publicly. The mind reaches greatness through discipline, wisdom, reflection, and continuous pursuit of meaningful knowledge. Justice without compassion becomes harass, while compassion without justice creates dangerous imbalance within society. True wisdom encourages humility because knowledgeable people understand how much remains unknown continuously. A noble life focuses on virtue, honesty, learning, and service toward others sincerely always. Fear often disappears when wisdom replaces confusion and understanding guides thoughtful human actions peacefully. Society prospers greatly whenever leaders value morality above personal ambition, fame, or material wealth. Wise teachers inspire curiosity, discipline, and meaningful thinking instead of demanding blind obedience constantly. Happiness cannot survive long where greed, dishonesty, hatred, and selfishness dominate human heart completely. Knowledge combined with virtue creates stronger communities and more peaceful relationships between people everywhere. The soul seeks truth naturally when distractions, pride, and ignorance no longer control the mind. Honest reflection helps individuals recognize mistakes, improve character, and grow wiser through difficult experience. Justice creates harmony by ensuring fairness, equality, and responsibility within every healthy society constantly. Justice creates harmony by ensuring fairness, equality, and responsibility within every healthy society consistently. Great leadership requires wisdom, patience, courage, humanity, and dedication toward serving people faithfully. Wise individuals understand temporary pleasures rarely provide lasting happiness or meaningful fulfillment within life. A disciplined mind overcomes obstacles more effectively than uncontrolled emotions or careless, impulsive decisions. Truth often challenges comfort because genuine understanding demands courage, honesty, and thoughtful reflection continuously. Wisdom guides people toward meaningful choice instead of temporary pleasure and destructive selfish ambitions. Strong societies depend upon educated citizens who value justice, honesty, and responsible moral behavior. Ignorance weakens humanity because misunderstanding creates fear, conflict, confusion, and unnecessary suffering among people. Wise people seek peaceful solutions before allowing anger, pride, or revenge to control actions.